Hi YouTube, welcome to the Emporium Outdoors. My name is Michael and today we're just having a quick look at my new garage environment. So I moved into this house a couple of weeks ago now and it was pretty much bare walls. If you've been following the channel for a while, you'll know I just relocated. So I'm just getting it all set up. I've got some work to do on the Can-Am shortly. And it'd be nice to have all my tools in the right places. So I just thought I'd share with you what I've done so far and maybe give you some ideas on how you can improve your garage environment. So first of all, this is kind of an existing tool chest that I had. This is from Maximo, so that's Canadian Tire, but they're kind of all the same. I think this is a Cobalt from Home Depot. Oh no, I think it's Lowe's actually. Yeah, definitely from Lowe's. These cabinets behind are the Huskies, that's from Home Depot. This was the cheapest way I could actually put storage together. So I'll give you a quick look. So they're not welded cabinets, but they actually store quite a lot in there. They're lockable. I've got more space to put inside. But they were about 350 bucks, which I thought was reasonable. The ones at Canadian Tire for the maximum ones are I think about 800. So even if they're on sale, this is a cheaper option. I've got a maximum workbench as well, so I can do some things there. Another cabinet that might be out of shop, so another Husky. And I've got these cabinets on the wall, which I have to move the camera for. Other Husky cabinets. These are like 150-ish, somewhere around there. I thought that was actually quite reasonable too. The other big addition is finally got my welding cart, my little Lincoln welder, fantastic welder. This is a SP135 Plus. Had this for quite a long time. I used to work for a company that rented welding equipment and I used to actually repair them. One of the first jobs I had in Canada was repairing welding equipment. So I bought this as an ex-rental and it's been fantastic. I have no idea how many hours I've been on this little box, but welds as good as the day that it actually came out of the factory, I'm pretty sure. So that's pretty good. This is actually from Princess Auto, and I'll show you a quick video of me setting it up. So the setup actually went pretty good. I got a couple of the bolts in the wrong place because the instructions aren't super great, but with just kind of a bit of thought you can figure it out. But it goes together quite well. There is space on the back to put a bottle, but the bottle I have is a 3/4 height, so it's pretty big. And I think it's probably too big for this cart. I'd prefer just put like a half height, so I might get a argon bottle if I do some TIG work in the future. And I can put a nice little TIG welder on here. That'd be pretty good. So I do have some work to do on the Can-Am. See, my light came off. Looks like the bolt's stripped out the bottom, so I've got to go ahead and fix that. I am heading out this weekend to do some camping with Esme. Come on, Esme. Up, up. Come on, up. Up, up. With Esme and Simon, and we're going to take the truck tent and find some good places to camp. So just a quick update. Thought I'd show you how things are progressing at the new house. Very happy I can walk straight out the house now into the garage without having to go outside, and it's clean, light and dry, which is perfect. I do have the welder plugs too. That's all good, so I don't have to stick with 110, but I do love this welder. So if you own any of these Husky cabinets and you've owned them for a little time, let me know how well they were and whether you like them. I think they're pretty good quality, actually easy to put together, hung really nicely. But that's it, just a quick short update. There'll be new camping videos coming up in the next week or so. And until next time, Take care. Say goodbye, Simon. Yes. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.